Inspired Mountain Vacations presents the best family-friendly ski resorts in the U.S. Rocky Mountains. To be the best, we believe that you must have access to fun, memorable mountain activities like tubing, dog sledding, snowmobiling through snow-capped mountains, Instagrammable photos, dinner sleigh rides, delicious food at restaurants big enough for the whole group, and of course lots of activities for the kids. Before we get to the first family-friendly ski resort, remember, we have been planning ski trips for our guests for 30 years. Don't hesitate to call us at 970-485-4091 or email us at the link below to start planning your next memorable mountain vacation. Welcome to Aspen Snowmass, our #1 pick for the best family ski resort. Here's why your next unforgettable family vacation starts right here.
Wow! 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 Whoop whoop! Whoopity whoop! Whoopity whoop! How about them apples? The vacation magic begins immediately. Go tubing, hop on the ice skating rink, or dive into a snowball fight with Dad. It's all right here at Snowmass, where everything is made for families. Ride the gondola together as a family, straight to ski school.
The kids have fun learning on the slopes,
While grandparents relax nearby with hot cocoa and front row seats to the fun.
Look at that, those kids are having a great time. Not with their parents, so they're gonna learn today. And they're gonna have the best time. Oh my gosh, they're playing in the snow. Look at that, that is worth it, parents. So anyway, here's grandparents sitting in the sun and having a great time here in April 8th.
And every afternoon at 3:30, it's s'mores time. Just one of the many free family activities, including free ice skating and events for all ages. Working with Inspired Mountain Vacations gives you access to exclusive kids-free vacation packages that include one of hundreds of ski-in, ski-out vacation rentals available for your family. Experiencing the magic of Aspen catapults Aspen Snowmass to the top of the best family ski resort list. Enjoy beautiful mountain landscapes, lively dog parks, colorful walking malls, and make sure to ride the Aspen gondola to the top of the world for family photos with breathtaking mountain views. Aspen Snowmass welcomes you with an easy, memorable family vacation.